Hi everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Giovanni here with another cooking video. Today I'm going to show you guys how I make my Haitian black bean sauce. I guess that's how you would call it. In Creole, it's called sauce pois. So you're gonna wash your beans. I'm using black beans, and you're going to add water, oil, some garlic, let it boil. I like to add some coconut milk after it's been boiling for a little bit, because I like the coconut milk to be like cooked in with the beans. Then you just continue to add water, and you want your beans to cook until it's like really soft, like almost mushy, because it's going to be blended. Okay, so here I am adding in the blender. You're going to add the beans with a little bit of water from the beans, and then you're going to leave some beans in the pan just like that. Okay, then we will go ahead and blend out the beans. After blending it, we are going to strain it right back into the pot, and it should look like this. Okay, and then you are going to stir it. It should be a little thick, but not too much, because it will boil and get thicker. In another small pan, I'm taking some butter. I'm frying some epis. It's green seasoning. I can also make a video on how to make that. I'm going to add some onions in it, a little bit of garlic, some clove powder, and one Maggi cube, because I just like it to be fried together. I feel like it gives the sauce pot like a little bit more taste, like it tastes better when I do it this way. And after I finish frying all of this, I'm just going to dump it right back into the pot of bean sauce. I also added some thyme, okay guys. And also too, I want to just let you know that my strainer is like literally not that great, so it does not like strain the bean sauce the way that I want it. Sometimes like some of the like leftover still falls in it, so that's why it might look like this. Okay, but just pour that in and then just stir it. Then we're going to let it simmer until it thickens up. And you know I can't miss that habanero pepper. I gotta add one in there, okay? I do not add a lot because my son eats from this also. But if he was not eating from it, I would have added like two because I just love it spicy. But then I also ended up adding another Maggi cube. And then I added a little bit of Better Than Bouillon chicken base, okay? And that's it. Voila. This is the Haitian sauce spot. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. See you later.